I just wanted to do a quick review because I am obsessed with these chapsticks. I was previously buying this pink lemonade, which is so like hydrating and amazing. Really creamy, but no tint, just smells like lemonade. I love it. So we were using these, but the last time I reordered, I went ahead and got this. It's actually a 5-pack, which consists of this standard 3-pack, and then they stick 2 extras in there. So that's what I've been using. That's what I have on now. You can see it's just like, there's no hint. It's just like so nice feeling. It lasts forever. There is no SPF in these, just heads up. But these are great for day and night. I love them. Here's the cotton candy. It's blue, but there's no hint. Don't worry. It smells so sweet and yummy. Here is snow cone, pinkish red. Again, no tint. Very sweet. Smells like a cherry. And then we also have Limeaid. Ooh, a very light green. That's gonna have, again, no tint. Strong lime smell. Woo! So the others are just generally sweet, but this one is very like lime citrus smell. Obsessed. Such great chapsticks, lip balm, whatever. Have one in your purse, have one in your bathroom, have one in your nightstand, one in your backpack. I just give these to my kids, and whenever they're like, oh, I lost it or I ran out, I just like throw them a new one. So awesome. Love them.